Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This is my personal experience using the service, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're taking a look at SkyMesh, an Australian internet provider found at skymesh.com.au. SkyMesh offers a variety of fixed wireless and satellite NBN plans catering to different needs and budgets. Understanding the nuances of rural internet options can be tricky, so let's dive into what SkyMesh brings to the table. Their website provides a wealth of information, which can be a bit overwhelming at first glance. They offer various plans with different data allowances, speeds, and contract lengths. Navigating through these options is key to finding the perfect fit for your specific requirements. It's important to consider factors like how you use the internet, how many devices you'll be connecting, and your typical data consumption. SkyMesh emphasizes its commitment to customer service and providing reliable connections in regional areas. They highlight their efforts to bridge the digital divide and offer competitive pricing. Looking at their website, you'll find dedicated sections for support, network status updates, and a comprehensive FAQ section. These resources can be invaluable when troubleshooting issues or understanding the technical aspects of their services. Before making a decision, it's always wise to compare SkyMesh with other providers in your area. Consider factors like latency, typical download and upload speeds, and customer reviews. Remember, choosing an internet provider is a significant decision, so taking the time to research and compare is crucial. SkyMesh appears to offer a solid selection of plans, but ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual circumstances and needs. Don't hesitate to utilize their online resources and contact their customer service team for any questions you may have. They can offer personalized guidance and help you select the plan that best aligns with your usage patterns. They also appear to offer several different modem options, so be sure to investigate which one best suits your needs. Choosing the right internet plan can significantly impact your online experience, so do your homework and choose wisely. Remember to check the description for all the links mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching.